Hi everybody, this will help you with question number 3 on CR number 1. It says Enrique wants to calculate a product. What is the answer? First thing you have to understand is the word product. Product means to multiply. That is the answer. Excuse me, that is the answer when we multiply. So if you look at the two numbers given, we have a -4 times a +2. Now remember, a negative times a positive is a negative. Now I'm going to show you a little chart to help you remember those rules for multiplying and dividing integers. But we know right now that a negative times a positive is a negative, and 4 times 2 is 8. So that would be your answer, -8. Here's that chart I was talking about. I make what's called a hashtag chart. And you put your positives going diagonally. And then every other blank space gets a negative sign. And this only works for multiplication and division. But how you read this chart is in any direction. So you can say a negative times a positive, which is what we have here. I go to that column or that row that has a negative times a positive. Notice, I'm going to change colors to help you see it better. A negative times a positive is a negative. Pretty cool that you can read the chart that way. You can also read it going up and down. A negative times a positive is, yep, still a negative. So you can read it in any direction that you want. Hopefully this will help you with your multiplication and division of integer rules. Good luck.